Hello everyone, this is Alex from Trilabs, and today I have Shubham Jindal with me, who will be sharing his interview experience of Infosys. Hello Shubham, can you just introduce yourself briefly?
Yes. So, hello everybody. Myself Shubham. I am Shubham Jindal, and as I have introduced myself in a company, I have introduced myself like I am a hardworking engineering graduate who has been specialized in mechanical engineering with an overall CGPA of 8.0.
Mm-hmm.
And at that time, when I was applying for the company, I was the director of my college official dramatics club named
Okay.
Anubhuti.
Mm-hmm.
While being part of this club, I have also learned something related to team player and
Mm-hmm.
how to be consistent in a particular thing. Apart from all these things, I have also worked for a press company for an year named Indians Youth Association, where I was
Mm-hmm.
responsible to submit articles for a monthly English newspaper. Last year, I have also published, last year means the year 2020,
Mm-hmm.
I have also published my own journal paper for second international conference of recent advancement of air conditioning and refrigeration. And
Okay, this is familiar. This conference is familiar because some of my friends also got their papers published in this.
yeah,
It's good to
it
hear
is,
that you are in a research field also. Yeah.
and
You are currently in which organization?
currently I am in Wipro.
Okay.
And
Okay.
during my campus placement, I have cracked for the two companies,
Mm-hmm.
for the three companies. One was Infosys,
Mm-hmm.
second was Wipro, and was TCS.
Okay. Which for which organization will you be sharing your interview experience?
Today, I was thinking to share the experience about Infosys.
Okay, Infosys. Okay. So, just tell me whether it was an on-campus opportunity or an off-campus opportunity.
For me, it was an on-campus opportunity as
Mm-hmm.
the company came in our college through
Okay.
placement coordinators.
Okay. Okay. Next thing is, can you just briefly describe the entire hiring process from round one to the last round?
Yeah, sure. So I would like to mention one key point about Infosys is that
Mm-hmm.
before coming in fourth year, in our sixth semester, when we were in third year, we
Mm-hmm.
were given an opportunity of InfyTQ,
Okay.
where Infosys used to hire through coding process.
Mm-hmm.
Almost, I think three or four students only get selected from InfyTQ, but
Mm-hmm.
in that round they give a very higher package of around 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs.
Correct.
But
Correct.
very few students get selected through InfyTQ. So
Mm-hmm.
after that, they do a mass recruitment process
Okay, so
in which,
basically you are telling that InfyTQ is one of the ways through which you can get a higher
yeah,
package at Infosys.
yes, InfyTQ is
Okay.
one of the ways. And the most fascinating thing about InfyTQ is you get placed even coming before to the fourth year. So when everyone
Yes.
will be opting for companies, you are already get placed with a very higher package in a very renowned company.
Correct. 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 Okay, so just tell me what were the rounds when it came into your college? How many
So
rounds were
when
there? And
basically there were only two rounds. First
mm-hmm.
one was the aptitude reasoning round, where
Correct.
mm, very basic questions about aptitude
Mm-hmm.
reasonings
Mm-hmm.
and some basic questions about computer fundamentals, that what is C, C++, and some basic fundamental questions.
Mm-hmm.
And all the things were on MCQ level only. And
Okay.
once you get cleared, you will be called for an interview round. So when I was called for the interview round, I was very pleased about this hiring process because when I was called for the interview round,
Mm-hmm.
my internet connection was little bit weak, and the person who was going to take my interview
Mm-hmm.
asked me to just write the email that today your internet connection is weak so that we can reschedule an interview. At first, I
Okay.
thought that they were just ignoring me, but
Mm-hmm.
within a few weeks, I got a
Mm-hmm.
mail that you have been rescheduled, and
Okay.
later on, I got submitted.
Okay. Okay. Basically, you are telling is first round was the apti round, which the questions were of easy and moderate level, and the next round
Yeah.
was directly technical interview. Yeah.
Basically, it was a mixture of technical and HR interview.
Okay, okay. So what I want to know from you is that what type of questions were asked to you, and secondly, were there any specific questions from your branch or not?
So, as you all know, writing exam, the written exam is basically of aptitude and reasoning only. But
Mm-hmm.
in interview, they are very much precise about the technical knowledge of computers. I
Okay.
must repeat that they are asking you that in which computer language you are very proficient, and
Mm-hmm.
after that they ask you from that field only. If you say that I am in C++ language, they don't ask you on Python or Java. They will
Mhm.
ask you on C++, but your basic fundamental knowledge should be damn clear about that concept.
Okay,
And
okay.
some of my friends also got a kind of HR who asked about the mechanical department also. But I was a bit fortunate that I didn't got any HR.
Mhm.
But they asked about your technical as well as your core language also.
Okay. So, were there any coding questions asked to you?
No, as I have experience in Infosys, no coding questions were asked, but they will ask you some output questions.
Okay, so there is a probability that they might or might not ask you.
They might or might not, but
Okay.
they won't ask you to write any code, but
Mm-hmm.
they will ask you, they will share their screen and ask you some output questions.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, one last thing. What advice will you give to your juniors who are preparing for Infosys, Wipro, or any other company?
So my advice will
Mm-hmm.
be particular about only one coding language. If you really want to get selected,
Mm-hmm.
make your fundamentals clear
Mm-hmm.
and be particular about if you go for surplus amount of coding language that I want to learn C++ also, Java also, Python also, because for a core branch student like mechanical or civil or electrical, it's very difficult to learn any coding language. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, if you go for multiple language, it will be difficult for you. Rather than going for different, go for one language and interviewer,
Mm-hmm.
he will be sure to ask where he wants to ask and from where. And
Okay.
rest all aptitude and reasoning should be very profound and clear of each and
Mm-hmm.
every student.
Okay. So this was really a nice discussion with you. Really, thank you for taking out your time, and thank you guys for watching. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.